with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Really exciting box right here to open. But I want to start off by saying I'm sorry that this week's videos are all over the place, but I promise you, you will have 2 soap making videos this week. This is a bonus video because a package just arrived on my step and I'm just doing little happy dances and just celebrating because it's from Bramble Berry. And I'm telling you guys, soapy dreams do come true. Let's see what's inside of this. I have no idea. I have not opened it yet. That's me screaming on the inside. It's so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so Bramble Berry released a brand new collection today. It just dropped today. It is called the Soirée collection. And they just sent this to me and I'm so excited to see what's inside and what I get to soap with. I'm trying to keep it all of a secret because I know a few other soapers have posted pictures of it already, and I've just kind of tried not to look too much at it because I do want it to be a surprise. Oh, this is adorable. And these are going to be a mess. But I love these things. I actually love to reuse these things, so let's just sit those over there. Okay, where do we start? Okay, let's see what these bags are. God, I'm just sitting on this box is so awkward. Okay, so we've got some rose gold lip gloss tubes. There's a few of those, and then there's the silver ones as well. I have never made lip gloss. I am excited to make lip gloss. What else do we have in here? Some gold bursting beads, and those are really gold. Wow. An additive, let's see. Okay, what else do we have in here? We've got some pink bursting beads and some white bursting beads. Those are really pretty colors. Look at those. Oh, I can't wait to use these things. Got some tins, some gold tins. A few of those in here. Just like Christmas. It's like Christmas morning. I feel like a little kid opening presents because this is the coolest box I've ever gotten. Alright, what else do we have in here? Ooh, there's the natural lip gloss. So they give you a base for, this stuff really does get everywhere. I feel like everything's covered in like white dust. So let me see here. It doesn't have any ingredients. I'll have to look up the ingredients to see what they put in this, but it is a natural lip gloss. So what else could be in this box that goes with this lip gloss? We'll get there. Pink eco glitter and some gold iridescent glitter. I love their iridescent glitter. It has so many pretty different shades of rainbow in there. And then the pink eco glitter. You gotta have glitter for this collection. I'm kind of mad at myself because I had stuff for mimosas and I left it over my friend's house. It's alright. I didn't even think this collection was even going to come today. According to the shipping, the tracking number that they sent me, it was like tomorrow. And I'm like, oh. And it showed up on my doorstep today. So now I get even more excited about it. We've got some cranberry butter here. It actually sounds delicious, but you're not supposed to eat it, I know, but cranberry butter sounds really good. Alright, we've got some champagne extract. That is interesting. Champagne extract. What could I put that in? I got more of these things. Okay. Hold on. Not done. And then let's look at. Woo! Sounds like glass. God, the stuff is everywhere. I'm gonna have to dust when I get done. Alright. Got my scissors here. I am prepared. Let's open this up. Open sesame. Okay. So, we go. Soirée collection. Yay! We're going to see here. Peach Prosecco fragrance, raspberry truffle fragrance, pink peony, and rose gold. So let's smell them. Let's start with this rose gold fragrance here. Ooh, let's see. So this has red currant, freesia, rose petals, vanilla, and amber. Reminds me of something. Oh gosh, I don't know. It's like some kind of perfume maybe that I've smelled before. Okay, the pink peony, cassis, peony, lemon, bergamot, and white musk. I'm really excited about this one. Oh, that's good. That smells like spring in a bottle. I could just smell this all day. Very fresh, very pink, flowery smelling. And then we have the peach Prosecco. Smell that. This is peach, lemon, sparkling Prosecco, musk accord. That smells effervescent, like that champagne. That's in there. How'd they do that? I smell the peach. I smell the Prosecco. It's bubbly. It's a bubbly smell. And then last, we have the raspberry truffle fragrance, and I'm pretty sure this one's gonna smell like chocolate. Raspberry, Belgian chocolate, and vanilla. And it says it's mild acceleration and cold process, and it's going to discolor to a dark brown. And I could have put money on that. Oh. Can I eat this? Oh, that's really good. That smells just like a raspberry truffle. Which one do I want to use first? So the rose gold says it discolors to a light tan, but it behaves well. Pink peony says discolors to none in cold process. Mild acceleration, which I kind of figured with a floral fragrance. The peach Prosecco says it behaves well and does not discolor in cold process. So, do I want to use them all for soap? Do I want to make other things with them? Like, what goes in here? Alright, and then there's another box in here. You guys are like getting all of my roots right now. Like this lighting in the top of my head. I need to do something with this hair. I really want my natural color to come back, but you know. It's supposed to be semi-permanent hair color, and it's been in there since October. Not so much. Alright, so then we have some flavor oils. So I guess we're going to be making some lip glosses with these flavor oils. Let's see which one we have. Lavender and lemon. That sounds delightful. I smell lavender. And I smell like a lemonade. Oh, that's because that's what it is. Duh. And lemon drop flavor oil. Smells like lemon. Peach Bellini. God, these are delicious smelling. That one's really good. I think I'm going to use that one first. But hold on. Vanilla mint. It reminds me of Christmas. Like snowflakes. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and clean all of this up and make it look a little prettier so I can give you guys a close-up on everything they sent me here. Over the moon about this. Like, I'm so excited to get this from Bramble Berry. Like, this is... it's a dream come true. It really is. So, what am I going to make? What am I going to make? Gotta put these things in stuff. Thank you so much, Bramble Berry. You guys, if you are a soap maker, this collection did drop today. It is on Bramble Berry's website today. So go over there and celebrate and make some awesome soaps. or whatever it is that you can make with these things. Lip glosses, candles, I mean, possibilities are endless. And champagne extract, I mean, where else can you get that? I've never seen champagne extract before, so go Bramble Berry. If you are not a soap maker, you can look forward to lots of fun things that I'm going to be trying out here and making with this stuff, so stay tuned. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Cute little bonus video, I know, but I just couldn't wait to unbox it and show you guys and share it with you. I don't know when you're going to be seeing things that I make with this stuff, just because I have so many ideas of soaps right now, and I make everything like in advance, like a month or two in advance, so you'll eventually get around to seeing these things. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions of what you would like to see with these things, leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I'll smell you later.